Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to delete Facebook posts all at once. So before starting the video I want you guys to watch this video until the very end and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all you need to open up Facebook application on your Android and iOS, and once the Facebook application is opened up just tap on your profile picture at the top right and then tap on the gears option at the top right here, and then if you scroll down here tap on this posts option here. Okay, and here you can see that we have an option where it says limit who can see past posts. So on Facebook unfortunately there is no option where to which you can use to delete all of your posts at once, but you can basically limit your past posts. Okay, so what this will do, this will actually prevent your friends that they cannot see your past post at a certain time. So what you can do, you will just tap on this one limit and then just tap on this one limit past posts. Okay, and now when you will tap on this one, this will actually limit your past posts. Okay, that your past posts will not be shown to your Facebook friends. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.